Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into a topic that's pretty close to your guts, your liver. Did you know your liver is basically the superhero of your body, fighting toxins and helping with digestion 24/7? But what are you doing to help it? Are you feeding it the good stuff or secretly turning it into a junkyard? We'll talk about foods that are friends with your liver, foods that are foes, and what causes fatty liver. 1. Foods that are bad for your liver. Sugary sodas, candies, and those sneaky sugary cereals. They are high in fructose, which turns your liver into a fat factory. Trust me, your liver does not want to start a fat collection. Next is alcohol. We all know that too much alcohol is bad for the liver, right? But did you know even a bit too much can kickstart the liver's arch nemesis, alcoholic fatty liver disease? Another one is fried foods. Loaded with unhealthy fats that clog up your liver that acts like a sponge. You want it to absorb nutrients, not grease. The next one is processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs are full of saturated fats and preservatives. And the last one is refined carbs. White bread, white rice, and pasta. These refined carbs have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber. Think of them like the empty calories. 2. Let's talk about the foods that make your liver sing, hallelujah. The first one is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, leafy greens are like liver ninjas. They neutralize toxins and reduce fat. It's like your liver hired a detox bodyguard. Next is fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps reduce liver fat and inflammation. Another one is olive oil. A little bit of olive oil goes a long way. It helps lower liver enzyme levels and reduces fat accumulation. Don't forget the tasty nuts. Especially almonds and walnuts are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Next is green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants called catechins, which improve liver function. Last but not the least, garlic. Garlic not only scares away vampires, but it also helps your liver reduce fat and fight inflammation. 3. Now, let's talk about what can cause fatty liver. The first one is poor diet. A diet high in sugary, fatty, or fried foods can lead to excess fat storage in your liver. Next is obesity. Extra weight means extra fat gets stored in places it shouldn't, like your liver. Another one is insulin resistance. When your body doesn't use insulin properly, it can cause fat to build up in your liver. Last but not the least, genetics. Sometimes, it's just in your DNA. If your family has a history of liver problems, keep an extra eye on your liver health. 4. Symptoms of fatty liver disease. The first one is fatigue. Feeling tired all the time? Your liver might be working overtime without any coffee breaks. Next is abdominal discomfort. Pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen is like your liver's way of saying, help. Notice unexplained weight loss. If you're losing weight without trying, it might not be something to celebrate. Also, jaundice. Yellowing of the skin or eyes is a sign your liver needs a little extra TLC, tender liver care. 5. Let's talk about how to make things better. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing weight through diet and exercise can significantly reduce liver fat. 2. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of exercise per week. It helps burn fat and keeps your liver in shape. 3. Limit sugar and alcohol. Cut back on sugary drinks, snacks, and alcohol. Your liver will thank you with less grumbling. 4. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and lots of veggies. 5. Stay hydrated. Water helps your liver flush out toxins. Always consult with your doctor for personalized advice. Your liver does a lot for you. Now it's time to return the favor. Your liver is a hard-working organ, so let's give it the support it deserves. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our health tips.